Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today we're going to talk about Cricut's new fall flash sale. Yep, Cricut's got some amazing deals for us that'll help us get ready for all of our holiday crafting, and so now's the perfect time to stock up. So I'm going to show you two different things here. One is oh my gosh, guys, there is a screaming deal on Cricut Explore Air 2 machines right now. The brand new, just came out, Raspberry Cricut Explore Air 2 machine is on sale for $199.99. It's normally $299.99. It's only going to be this price through October the 2nd, so you want to grab it now before they sell out. And if you are interested in getting into a Cricut Explore Air machine, or you wanted to upgrade to the Cricut Explore Air 2, which is what this machine is, the difference is the Cricut Explore Air 2 gives you the option to do faster cutting. There's a fast cut mode that you can turn on to help you cut your projects out faster. So that's a super attractive deal with that. And if you are interested in that Raspberry, it is part of this deal for $199.99. Or some of you wanted the more masculine black color. That one is also available right now for $199.99. And the sky blue is $199.99. And that beautiful mint green, that's the one I have, it's $199.99. So these are super duper deals on the Cricut Explore Air 2. They're only available through October the 2nd, unless they sell out of a color. So if you or maybe someone you know has been wanting to get a Cricut Explore Air machine, now is the time for them to grab the Cricut Explore Air 2 at this low price. It's definitely worth it. If you buy a machine, be sure and use the free ship 9 promo code to give you free shipping in the US and Canada. All right, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you guys. The second thing I want to show you is that Cricut is doing an amazing sale on a bunch of things in the shop. So the first thing is under essentials, underneath accessories, let's take a look at the mats. The mats are 40% off. So the various cutting mats that we all want to find and use are 40% off. So the fabric grip mats and the strong grip mat and all of those. But the thing I wanted to show you was the Cricut Easy Press mat that goes with the Cricut Easy Press and Cricut Easy Press 2. The 12 by 12 one is on sale for $14.99. That is an awesome deal. That's $10 off its regular price. You're going to find it anywhere. So now's the time to grab an Easy Press mat. If you're doing any iron-on projects with the Easy Press or even your household iron, you're going to want this mat. This mat is specially designed to keep the heat away from your tabletop surface that you're using it on, and it pushes the heat back up into your project to give you better adhesion. So it's definitely worth it. The other thing I wanted to point out is the Cricut self-healing mat, the big one that's 24 by 36. It is perfect to put on your craft table area. So this is Cricut's increased the self-healing mat part of this so that it really is not going to show cuts. Like if you're using the True Control knife on it, or you're cutting fabric on it with a rotary blade, it just is going to make those little slices in it go away. The other thing that I love about it is because each one of these grids on here is a true 12 by 12. So if you are wanting to line up your projects to make sure you get things straight, if you're a card maker or scrapbooker, or you're trying to put projects together, these clean up really nicely. So as you're working on your different projects that you're making with your Cricut, having one of these mats on your desktop is awesome. And at this price for $29.99, you are not going to find it at a cheaper price, I don't think. So that was the one thing I want to show you. And then of course all the mats are on sale. Okay, so definitely take a look at that. Now let's see, the other thing I wanted to show you, I'm super excited to show you this. Okay, so some of us have really been wanting to use the new True Control knife, and they're all on sale and there's different colors of them. Now I want to point this out to you. Some of them are just the knife, and they're $12.99 just for the knife, the True Control knife. They're worth every penny. Some of them come with a kit that's the knife and the replacement blades. Okay, you definitely would want to get that. But right now the lilac one is on sale for $9.59 to get the blade, the knife blade, and the blades, the replacement blades. So if you love purple, then this is the one for you. If you don't care what color it is, then this is the deal for you. I just wanted to point this out to you guys. Let's see, there were a couple of other things under tools I wanted to point out. And of course the German carbide blades are also on sale, so now's a good time to stock up on those. Those are the ones you want to use in your Cricut Explorer and your Cricut Maker machines, because your machines are calibrated to use those blades, and you get better cuts and the blades last longer. So here we have, I'm looking under tools. Now, the rotary blade is wonderful. If you don't have a rotary blade and you're cutting any fabric and you're working with your Cricut makers, make sure you get a rotary blade. This kit is nice, but it's not on sale right now, but the blade's on sale. But all the tool kits are on sale, and that sewing kit that I told you guys is so awesome. And remember, it's got that adorable little Cricut Maker looking machine on it. That is the pin cushion. Super cute. But these scissors, these fabric scissors, are fabulous. You got to have that. The other thing under tools that I use all the time is that extra large scraper. So it is definitely worth taking a look at. The weeding tool kit I use all the time is also on sale. And so I wanted to point those deals out to you because those are super good deals on those. Let's see. The other thing, there's a bunch of pins on sale if you want to look at the pins. I'm just trying to hit the highlights of the things that I absolutely feel are things that you really want to look at. All right. Cutting materials. Yay! A bunch of the iron-on is all on sale up to 50% off. So the iron-on light is on sale. So if you're going to be doing a bunch of shirts for the holidays, you want to grab some of the iron-on deals that I'm going to show you here real quick. So the iron-on light's on sale. The patterned iron-on is on sale. Some of you really wanted to take a look at that and play around with some of that. So that's all on sale. And the iron-on designs are on sale. So these are great for like quick projects that you want to make, and they're perfect for to do with the kids. Foil iron-on is on sale. You guys know how much I love the foil iron-on. And remember, you don't have to just put it on shirts or bags. You can iron on a lot of different base materials, on canvas, on wood. You can even do it on glass if you're super careful. There's just a bunch of surfaces that you can iron on. Okay, so let's see. The glitter iron is also on sale. So if you want to add a little more sparkle to your holiday iron-on projects, all of that's on sale. Okay, so you want to take a look at that. And the other thing that's on sale that I want to point out to you guys, bear with me one more second. The Cricut has new premium vinyl, and the premium vinyl is specially made so that it lays flat. You know how like when you get the vinyl off of the rolls and you're fighting with it because it keeps rolling up as you're trying to stick it down on your mat? The premium vinyl does not do that. It lays flat. And they have two kinds. They have a removable and a permanent. Now the removable comes in these packs, and they also come in single color rolls. Okay, the rolls aren't on sale, but I wanted to show you the packs. If you want to try some of this new premium vinyl, now's the time to do it, because for $13.79 you're going to get 20 sheets of 12 by 12 vinyl, one in each of these beautiful colors. And like I said, it lays flat, it cuts perfectly in the Cricut machines. And the thing is, guys, these weed so easy. They are super easy to weed. So they're going to have this vibrant pack that gives you these 20 colors, and then they have a maritime pack that has like a gold, a white, a red, and kind of a navy color. It's really pretty. 4 colors, and you get 5 sheets of each color. So now's a good time to grab those. And let's see, and under the permanent premium vinyl. The sampler rolls are all on sale, so that's another thing to look for. I'm trying to point out the best deals for you guys. Pattern vinyl, everybody's wanting to use pattern vinyl on all their holiday projects, but I wanted to show you this because I bought some for myself and I hate to not share this with you guys. Remember that everybody was looking for that buffalo plaid last year? It's still super popular this year. This is the premium. This is the Rustic Lodge Lumberjack one, but you get 2 sheets, 12 by 12 sheets of each of these 3 patterns. Okay, and it's on sale for $8.69. So I wanted to play with some of the patterned vinyl. Now's the time to grab some of that because it's all on sale. You can click each one of those and it'll pop up and it'll show you which patterns are on each roll, because each roll has 3 different patterns, but there's a bunch to choose from. Another thing I wanted to show you is for some of my Cuttlebug fans. The materials are all on sale for the Cuttlebug, so I'm going to show you that in the accessories. So these are little pieces that Cricut made that are called embossables, and you use them with your embossing folders in your Cuttlebug, and it's going to make that impression on these items and accessories for the Cuttlebug. So you know it's getting harder to find your replacement pads. I noticed in the craft stores, I'm just not seeing them as much as I used to. Now is the time to stock up because they are 50% off. So the large 6x13, I wanted to show you that those magnetic cutting mats are also on sale. So that's when a lot of the stamping companies now use those thin metal dies with their stamps for you to cut out around the stamped image. And if you use one of these magnetic cutting mats with your Cuttlebug, then you put your material down, you have the die on top of this magnetic mat. It's going to hold the die in place so it cuts out perfectly every time. And so they have the 6x13 and the 6x8 is now on sale. So I wanted to point all these screaming deals out to you guys. If you purchase anything other than the machines, you need to use my promo code SMQD and you'll get an extra 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. If you have Cricut Access membership, you'll get an additional 10% off. So this is the best time to shop when they have all these deals on sale. And let me know what it is that you got. Leave me a comment and let me know what you purchased. I've already got a shopping cart full of stuff I need to go check out before you all guys grab it from me, because this is, of course, while supplies last. This sale runs through October the 10th, and let me know what you got. Come join me in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group and the Deb Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. Talk to you guys later. Bye.